Don't go back there. That's not your house. It's somebody else's house. Hey, sweet pea.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
No.
You're a big boy. You're a big boy. You're a big
No.
boy. You're a lap dog. Big lap dog.
Let me teach you.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Hey.
He's okay.
He's coming up if you keep doing that.
He's a heart.
I'm going to take your cup.
Yeah.
Look how hot he is. Oh, wow.
He's so funny. What a big lover. You're a big lover, boy.
Oh, my gosh. I can't believe you're letting him do that. That's what he does with me. Get him, Zeus. Get him. All right. Calm down a little bit. Hey. We need fans in here, huh? Ceiling fans.
It's not gonna leak. It's not gonna leak. He's gotta weigh 120 pounds, man.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what he is right now, but he was upwards of 100 last time I saw him. Last time he was in the doctor's office.
You are much more gentle.
See the difference?
Yeah. He's a good boy, too. He's a good boy, too.
Wow. I can't believe they love you that much.
You feel Jesus, don't you? You feel Jesus.
Oh, puppet kisses. He loves that. I can do that for you.